Hey my amazing people, how are you guys doing? I trust you guys are taking good care of yourselves. Well guys, this tour continues. The tour going back to my roots. I first went to Regent Street where I spent 10 years of my early life. I came to Rosal to show you guys where my dad came from. And now I'm gonna go to my mom's place, West Coast Burpees. Please like, subscribe, and share. Mom told me when my uncles and aunts, I'm not so sure which one of them, they were going to school in New Amsterdam, and my grandfather, he had bought a place in New Amsterdam so that they can stay there while going to school, and he had a butcher shop. So the journey for my mom's hometown, where she grew up, starts in New Amsterdam. So we're going towards New Amsterdam, and I'll try to see if I can find the place where my mom, they used to have their home, their house, their butcher shop. By the way guys, I was born in New Amsterdam Hospital. That hospital no longer exists, but I think they built a new one, right Dennis?
Yeah.
There's a new hospital in New Amsterdam, but the one where I was born at, it no longer exists. But we're gonna take a drive to New Amsterdam and see if we can find where my grandfather had one of his houses. So join me guys and enjoy this tour with me guys. Alright? So we're going towards New Amsterdam and we have to go over Kanji Bridge, right Dennis?
Yeah, Kanji Bridge.
Right, I remember. We're going in search of my grandfather's old butcher shop, the residence where they used to live at before.
So this is Palmyra.
This is Palmyra.
And on your left is future development for mall and hotels.
Oh, that's right. They're going to build a Barbies Stadium right over there.
Yeah. Mall, shopping complex, hotel, hospital, and build right here. So by 2027, you will see the transformation of
housing project.
yeah. And way down at the back, they're going to build an airport, a small airport.
Oh, like Ogle.
Like Ogle, yeah. So by 2027, you will see development, transformation.
We're
But
Kanji
yeah,
now?
Why the bridge
two.
coming up?
Yeah,
Oh,
this road going is into Kanji. This is the carry to Kanji Road, that estate.
Oh, I've been in this road one time already. Oh, and there is Kanji.
That side carry to the housing scheme, whatever costing again.
Okay. And you guys see that Kanji Bridge is coming up? That bridge has been built there since when? We were living in Suriname. No, that's not true. In the 60s or in the 70s?
75 or so.
Oh, that bridge was built in the 70s, yeah. My uncle worked on that bridge. Uncle Abel, my dad's brother. I can say Akandasami worked in that bridge. And my uncle. This is the Kanji Bridge. Back then in Guyana, this was the attraction.
Yeah, the big bridge.
This was the big bridge. This was the bridge everybody used to want to come on. So Dennis, help me out. Over the bridge you have
you have the Government Technical Institute.
okay.
And where this empty lot is the new hospital.
Another one again?
Yes, this is a smart hospital, we call it. Specialty hospital.
Okay, because they have one new one here, right? So we are now officially in New Amsterdam.
This is the Technical Institute on your left.
Okay.
This is the hospital on your right.
Oh, nice. That's a nice hospital.
The other hospital.
Oh, this is a new hospital. All right. So take me towards the other hospital, towards Charles Street or something like that.
Right.
So we gotta go towards it now. Oh, so this is a new hospital,
The functioning one.
the functioning one. So the one that I was born in, they tore that down. It was burned down or they tore it down?
The tore it down.
They tore it down. Guys, back in the days, we used to have to join the ferry in Amsterdam.
And then here is Barbies High School.
Barbies High School. Okay. Oh, this ferry crossing bring back memories. Memories. We got join long lines, man. That was back in the days. New Amsterdam ferry, Turani.
So we on Queen Elizabeth Road.
Queen Elizabeth Road. Alright. So welcome to New Amsterdam. We have a New Amsterdam in Suriname. You can find that in Camawena, Marienburg, but this is New Amsterdam in Guyana.
And the back there is the court. Supreme Villa.
Oh, that's the Supreme Court. Okay. Okay, we're going straight.
Right, we now enter in New Amsterdam.
GT. The tongue. Oh, this is New Amsterdam tongue. Mommy said there's only 2 or 3 way.
This is the hotel we stopped.
Okay, Church View.
This was a big time hotel in your days when you left.
Church View.
Yeah, this was the biggest hotel that I had.
Mommy said there's 3 entrances coming into New Amsterdam or exiting or something like that.
Well,
I know what she was telling me.
The other side is coming out and you can go in from the other side to the Stelling.
3 main road, I think she was telling me.
Right? The other one is called the Backdam Road.
Backdam, yeah. And then you had the Charles Road, no? Or Charles Street. Yeah, there's Leisure Inn. Yeah, I can't remember what this place looked like back in the days. I forgot.
Right where Metro stand used to be Gaiety Cinema.
Okay.
Right here.
So they got a big hotel.
Right. Leisure Inn.
And Little Rocks.
This place busy, man.
And this is only weekend days.
This is New Amsterdam tongue. I didn't realize this place is so busy. So this is New Amsterdam tongue, guys. DDL. Oh, you got DDL here too?
Yeah.
You gotta find a place to eat, Dennis.
Yeah, we're gonna go around. Let me go first to the butcher shop.
Oh yeah, okay.
And then we'll come back.
But what part we gotta go for the butcher?
I'm not sure.
Oh, we're going straight.
Well, I can't remember the building's still there, but
On Main Street now. So you get Main Street, Pitt Street. Oh, we just passed Pitt Street.
Very
Oh,
far,
no.
so there we walk to the gas station, Dennis.
yeah.
The Cousin gas station.
Right.
We used to run the gas. Remember we drive to all
This is
Alexander
the part-
Street.
This is the part where the hospital used to
Charles Place.
We go into the butcher shop and we come around.
But Mommy said Charles Place is one way.
Yeah, you gotta go.
You gotta go around.
No. Hold on. Butcher shop in, so I think
I'm going to go to the car and let them traffic.
I think
Here.
I just saw what they were. We can ask.
Alright guys, so my mission has been successful. I found my grandfather's what used to be his butcher shop. But it's no longer a butcher shop. But I met a wonderful person here. So Mom, you can see live or you can hear for yourself live what this wonderful woman is saying. Yeah, so
I name Baby Mac. Baby Mac. She might remember Baby Mac.
Mom will remember you by that name.
She should remember.
Remember you. Your dad.
My dad was named Hubert.
Alright.
Yeah, he used to call me Mr. Hubert McCallum. He used to say Mr. Mac. We used to call him Mr. Mac. And they rent the place not from we, from what the man name? Trotman. A man named Mr. Trotman, they rent the place. Because we didn't buy it over yet. After we buy it, right?
Okay.
We didn't buy it over yet. And
Alright.
after them, they gave the place to John Doe. Some people named John Doe live in Smithfield. They
Okay.
take up because all used to bring cow from Bobby Swivel and sell.
Right.
And all they used to think at abattoir and come and sell. So after Sing Right got to John Doe, and after John Doe we take it over.
Take it over. So it's the same existing building? There's any changes? Or
No,
is,
we only change upstairs.
or you change
But
upstairs?
Downstairs, here it had the shop, but it was wood.
It was wood. So you did a little bit improvement.
Yeah, it wasn't concrete.
So you would know my uncles and aunts.
Well, sure, yes, because we used to meet.
All used to meet. I'm talking years ago, right?
That,
You were-
yeah, it gotta be years because I'm going to be 70 next.
Oh,
next
wow.
week. It's very long. It's years because it was young. We were young.
So that's like about what? That's like about, let's say like about 55 years ago then.
55 to
60 years ago.
Yes, it's
All
a
right.
long time. Very
Yeah.
long time. When I think I'm going to be 70 to 75 March.
Wow.
I said, yes, I'm going to be 70 next month, the 18th next month.
What? Wow. So we are the right place.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is right. And you know, of late, some people they come and they talk and they know the place. They say, but by the way, Sing Right, them from River used to do beef place. I said, right here. People just come sometimes and ask.
And act, right. But that was my grandfather, Daniel Singh Roy.
And
Yeah.
they were very nice people, quiet.
And nice people, yeah.
Dan and Kidale.
And
Yes, they
yeah.
were nice people.
Well, you know they passed on a long time ago.
Yes,
Yeah.
you got to pass. Oh man, they're big. My dad
Uncle
passed.
Sydney, Uncle Compton, Auntie Pam and Gwen, they're all in Canada.
They were in Canada.
Yeah, my mom is in Suriname.
Oh,
So we live in Suriname, yeah. One of the reasons for this trip is to go back to my roots and just see where I came from, where I grew up. And my kids, they can see where the dad came
But
from.
that is true.
Right?
That's true.
And my kids, they're very interested to know, Dad, where were you from? You know, where were you born? You know. So I went back to Rosal. I was born in New Amsterdam, but we spent some time in Rosal. But I grew up in Georgetown before we went to Suriname.
Oh, before you know, so yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
All of them will be hearing for themselves. Yeah.
Nice,
the-
all of them,
hello, well,
nice
yeah.
hearing from them and nice that I could send people to see.
Right, yeah.
No problem.
All right.
The same way.
Yeah, all right.
So far, sorry, I'm living.
I'm living in Paramarble. So guys, I'm standing here on Main Street, but I misunderstood my mom. I thought where they were living is the same place the butcher shop was located, but no, the butcher shop is located on Main Street and the residence where they were living is in Charles Place. So this is the butcher shop my grandfather rented many years ago. My mom and mom's siblings, they were all going to school back then. So this is the building, guys. This is where my grandfather once had his butcher shop. Welcome to Stanley Town, just before Stanley Town. Yep. See, Mom, I found the butcher shop. And now I'm gonna go to Charles Place and see if I can find the house. Oh, this was where the hospital was.
Yeah.
I can't remember that, you know.
Thornhill. No, this side.
Oh.
Hospital side.
This is where the hospital once was located.
Yeah.
And this is
No,
Charles
that is-
Place.
Child's place.
So we're going to Charles Place now.
Right.
You can remember the house?
Yeah, just
This
behind
is
the
a abandoned
church.
here though, then it. Balcony by out one lemon.
Right, this is Charles Place. The street next to the hospital.
To the hospital being from the end to that street to this.
We come if the church is checking next hour, right?
So this was the location of the hospital. I would even know
This
that.
is the entrance to go in.
Okay.
The gate.
Right.
The picture I took out.
And this was the church. Yeah.
Right there. So this house here was the grandfather's house.
This one here.
Yeah.
Oh, this
Hey,
was the
right
house.
there, right there, brother. Wait.
Okay, guys. So mission accomplished again. I found the place where my grandfather once owned here in Guyana. Mom, I found the house. And I found some neighbors that are very nice. What's the name of the owner of the property you said? Yeah. Fasal. I won't know that, Mom. You guys will know who is Fasal. But he's abroad now too, right? Alright. So this is right next door. The church is at the corner. And this is the house. I don't know what the state the house was back then. This is what it looks like now. The owner doesn't live too far from here, but it's rented out. They have one tenant live upstairs, one tenant live downstairs. But this is where my mom and her siblings spent a few years of their lives here when they were going to school. I don't know if mom was going to school in New Amsterdam back then. I know my mom, other siblings, they went to school. And right across here is the New Amsterdam. Used to be the Amsterdam Hospital where I was born. Some Chinese took over this place and they'll build a nursery school here. This is Charles Place. So there you go. And this is in New Amsterdam. Okay, the journey continues. That's a church my mom spoke about. So back to my roots, Charles Place, New Amsterdam. And this is Strand, New Amsterdam. All right, onward we go. Oh, so they call here Strand.
Right. This is
Place
the
is-
market. Market here. And this is Pitt Street.
What? This place busy, man.
See if we get a park in somewhere.
How about the fast food there? We're here.
Yeah.
Which side?
Right there, right
Right
there.
here.
Right on.
This place is busy. Chapel Street.
Well, this is the next town. Kantong.
The second after Georgetown.
Right.
It looks like a big town. Yeah, man, this place is big. Alright, so now we're exiting New Amsterdam.
This is court, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
See you, New Amsterdam. Until next time again.
This road can get to the Stella.
Visiting New Amsterdam after about 10 years. See you again when I'm in Guyana. So, on our way to Britannia Village, my mom's hometown, we stopped here at Bad Settlement. Everybody is hungry, so we stopped here to get some something to eat at Big B's. I don't know what they have inside, but this is what Bad Settlement looks like. We're very, very developed since I've been here last 5 years ago. Alright, let's see what they have inside to eat. So guys, we had a late lunch and now we are on our way to Britannia Village. That's also a place where I spent about 3 years of my life before going to Suriname. Oh, this is a hospital building going up.
Yeah, there's New York.
Oh wow, that's a big building. That's nice, man.
But a bit too far out of the thing that the gap people never come far.
Yeah, this is Katrina Lus. This is a Fort Wellington police station.
Yeah.
Oh, we're at Fort Wellington now.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good?
Yeah, this is Fort Wellington.
Yeah, Fort Wellington.
Okay, this is where I remember as a kid when my aunt or my mom or anyone wants to come to go to the post office or to the hospital, police station, it always used to be Fort Wellington. Oh yes, we're coming up to Hope Town. I remember this place quite clearly. St. John's. My aunt used to live here in Bel Air.
Yeah,
I remember this place, yeah. This is where her house was located, and I think it was destroyed by a fire. Yeah, I remember this place quite clearly, man. We used to spend vacations here. I wonder if Sapodilla tree is still at the back. You can still see some house posts in the bush. Memories, guys, memories. Once upon a time. Yeah, guys, I can remember this turn. This used to be a dangerous turn. A lot of accidents happen on this turn. Yeah, we're entering Bushlat Village now. Bushlat Village. You just drive in and see what we look like.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
No, right coming up.
This used to be Church. Presbyterian Church.
Oh, Uncle Barlow Church. No, this one here, right? Yeah.
You can talk through here, right?
Yeah, Presbyterian Church. This is where I used to come to school, guys. My old high school. Bushlat Secondary School. Wow.
Without going up again. I say without it looks a strange now.
But to me, those cost more than
More. And yeah. And the concrete. Because they build a small concrete.
But back then this wasn't pitch, this was mud, I think, right? I can't remember.
brick.
My old school, guys.
This man could play cricket in the veranda.
I attended this school up to Farm 2. Yeah, that's my school. I can remember that school. This is amazing. Memories, guys, memories. Yeah, we used to play cricket every morning we come to school. The first thing, me first, me second, me third. We put on my bag and we run. Let me come out there, let's see. So the school is not like what we had before?
The school actually, you know, they make that part of us, and then the school. Because we attended the school too. So they make this.
That was 1980, 1982. I'm talking about.
Yeah, attended school too.
Oh no, they had a part used to go like this.
This here was the original school.
The original school, right.
That was the original. That
Okay.
wasn't there. This part they added, that
Yes,
part
yes.
added, that one back they added.
So if you go in and out, watch properly, you will get to see. You know your science class being inside, right?
Right. Yes, I remember. I can take a walk around the second and see.
Then, you know.
Yeah, just for 5
Very
minutes.
good.
Yeah.
Me go do one, me go do it. And this community, that whole lot go back to that whole
Good afternoon.
We was the first set of students that graced the steps of this school.
There's in the 60s,
65,
65.
66.
Wow.
I can remember how we just go so.
Yeah, at the back they used to do agricultural science, used to plant to the back.
Alright.
Yeah.
We had non-agriculture thing.
Yeah, that wasn't there.
No, we had
This building was here.
this building was here. The headmaster office was there. This middle he now went. This part he now went. The first headmaster was Castro. The other was Nasir. Right. After that was Ramlal from Britannia side. After then, they had a con. Oh, after then was Kalimur. After Nasir was Kalimur. Kalimur was deputy.
Well, guys, this is the school I attended to when I was a kid. Nice to be back here and seeing these memories, man. Real memories.
You from where?
Sorry, now. We used to have agricultural science at the back, and we used to plant vegetables. The science lab was in front here. I can remember that. And this was the only building. That's new and that's new. And cricket every morning we come to school. The first we drop your bag down, we run and we pick up the bat and say 4 seconds. Lunchtime we used to eat your lunch, we used to swallow your lunch, we used to run, come back and play cricket. That was the days. Table tennis is one of the big sport here too. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, memories. Can't believe once 12 years old I attended school. Alright. Well, guys, this is my old high school. We used to walk out. We used to wait for the bus on the road. And believe it or not, I was one of the high school prefect. Remember back in the days, we used to have prefects? I used to be a high school prefect. I was in charge of getting the line orderly to board the bus to go home. We used to have those, in my time it wasn't Tata bus, it was the Sanos. Remember the Sanos? And Dennis? The Sanos bus from Brazil, I think?
No, that was
We used to call it glass case.
Sanus bus, yeah.
Yeah, that was the glass case, the square bus, yeah. That was we bus. Every day.
road. Anyway.
So that's it for my school. Bushlot Village. Lovely lass. Onverwak. Remember Onverwak? But I used to attend a school number 29 primary school, but I can't find the school. I don't know if it's before Onverwak or after Onverwak. The school has disappeared. Number 29 primary school. I don't know where it is.
That's through this street.
No, it's not true. No, it's not through the street.
The next
This is a school. No, this is not a school. This is I You can see the school from the road, Clarence. I don't think it was this much far. So I think the school disappeared. Can't find the school.
In this
What is school there?
Now we get the right school. This is the school. The same 29 primary school. This is the school. Me and my sister, we attended this school. Number 29 primary school. Wow. The school still done the same way. It didn't change. Same way.
This is the exact school there.
Yeah, exact school. Look, Debs, I found our school. Remember the school, number 29 primary school? Wow. Amazing. Let me get the name of the school. Still the same shape, same way, hasn't even changed. And over so many years. What, 1979? Oh wow. Once upon a time, hey, down memory lane. Yeah, this is Union.
Or 30.
Number 30. Yeah. And then we get Tempe. What do you have here? Something going on here? Oh, alright, mommy. Look at your old neighborhood. Look at your old village. Tempe going down to Britannia.
Coming up to Uncle Rajel's house. We go down just before the town.
This house here, right? That's Uncle Rajel's house.
The great fence.
Oh, both on this side.
Right, this great fence, this new fence, right there, after this side.
This one.
Yeah, right there, this side.
Let's say we.
Yeah. Uncle Rajel's house. This is Uncle Rajel's house, right?
Yeah,
The house empty right now.
yeah. They come in and
All right.
they will prepare it. And they give one of the son advice to put concrete board in front.
Right.
Looks like concrete.
Ah, the sun in the camera. This is Tempe village. We're going down to Britannia village, the village of my grandfather and my mom and our siblings. And the place is still the same. It didn't run down or anything. I mean Borbies. Most of the houses are renovated, concrete. This one I'm gonna get a sign to. If I ever get the sign. Yes. We used to fish in this
This is where we used to go to back down.
back dam, right? We used to walk here to go to the back dam. We used to fish in that canal. We used to swim in that canal.
Policeman fence.
Policeman fence on this side.
Yeah. Where we stop the other day?
Here, right there. Let me go see Mr. Goodman.
You go over there with this side.
Alright guys, this is the house my grandfather built. This is where my mom and her siblings grew up. I remember this house. It's the same paint in the house, right? Green? It's the same house with the paint, green paint, right? Yeah, the same green paint. This is where I spent 3 years of my life before I went to Suriname. Can't believe this, guys. I'm back to my grandfather's house. I don't know why I'm getting emotional, but to see this place after so much years. Buddy, don't let me drop off your head, you know. Yeah, so I want to see Mr. Goodman so badly, and I won't come back to Suriname for just now. The guy. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Who your father?
My father in the States with my sister. And my mother is in Suriname with me.
Yeah, me talk to she.
This is still up there.
Yeah.
They're still there. There used to be a storeroom. We used to put mango when grandfather picked mango. We used to put the mango up there to get ripe.
Maxie live up there.
Okay. And the kitchen is still downstairs the way it is.
Yeah.
And this used to be the chicken coop. The barn was at the back, right? The barn, the big barn.
The barn cell.
The barn cell.
Yeah.
And this used to be, Mommy used to mind chicken at the back here.
Yeah, me mind fowl.
Fowler now.
Turkey and
What? I can't remember this mango tree.
this mango tree is young.
I remember you used to have papaya tree all along the fence. Papaya tree we used to plant.
And shallot.
And shallot and onion and so right. If I walk in the back here, we'll meet up.
Meet up at post and so.
Alright. You can walk free though.
Make I watch you the dog.
What the dog there? No, just for take out a fast video and come back. Well,
You pick the mango.
the dog like you.
Tasha, come downstairs now. Come downstairs.
The dog on the back. Mosquito. Oh, yes. This place. Right. I understand. Oh, the dog at the back here. When you walk at the back, you walk all the way at the back. We used to get a pond. The pond used to be here, right? The fish pond used to be here. Oh, here. Okay, and we used to have one fish pond in the back.
The pond at the back full up.
It's full up. Oh, yeah, guy. We used to walk at the back here. We used to go to the back dam.
That one Atom daughter live at the back.
Oh, Uncle Atom. Oh, I said Arthur. Uncle Atom. Okay, yeah, I remember him. All right,
Every come he sickly and then he
Yeah.
Mexican do it.
This guava tree is from back then, or this is new? The guava tree.
The guava tree there is new.
New.
But this one goes a big guava.
Yeah.
We had one and
Wow, guys. I am back at my roots. Can't believe after so many years I'm coming back to my grandfather's place. I don't know why I'm getting emotional.
When he dead,
Uh-huh.
two people and then keep on looking
Oh,
and get
Mr. Goodman?
yes.
Oh man, I'm so disappointed in Niti.
See some get on set of sickness and trouble me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Ready bag.
Y'all building something here.
Really
Extending the house.
extend the house.
Okay. Guys, I can't believe I'm at my grandfather's house. Hard to believe it. Same house, same color, everything. Uncle Arthur. I said Uncle Arthur. The house is still the same. The guinea tree is still here, guys. This guinea tree. It made me got some good lashes. I was told I could pick guinea if I asked permission. I never did. I went up and I stole guinea, and when I came back down, I got some good lashes, man. I remember those days. The tree is still here, it's still bearing. I remember this vat. Wow. The house is still here, guys. And Marabuntan is still like crazy. Well, I gotta be careful with Marabunta because if I get bit by Marabunta, I'm allergic. I don't want to end up in emergency. This mango tree was always here?
You was small when you are in it.
No, this mango tree was always here?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Jamir live here, right?
Jamir lived there.
Or there?
Mm-hmm.
So there's the Jamir house over there, right? And there used to be, who else again?
Auntie Shireen.
Auntie Shireen. Okay, mommy, I'm calling this name for you so you can know because I can't remember. So that Auntie Shireen house, according to Mrs. Goodman, and the house is sold already, and that's the Jamir, that's their house. But I asked her for Lavo and all of them, they said they're no longer there.
She's in town.
In Tong, alright.
This body house.
This used to be, the Presbyterian church used to be here that I used to attend.
The Presbyterian church used to be there.
But they break it down.
But Uncle Balo break it down.
A church used to be here that I attended when I was a kid, but the church is no longer here. This is Buddy, one of Mommy cousin. This is his house. And this is Uncle Barlow's property. Uncle Barlow, my grandfather's brother, he used to live at the back. But nobody's there, so I can't go there right now.
Which?
This is an empty lot.
The empty lot is where the church used to be.
Oh, the church used to be over here. Britannia Village is a very small village. Right by the turn, that's where it ends. And that's the turn by Tempe sign, that's where it ends.
Tell Patsy, me like a Gwyneth before. Get broke up, sick of carrying me.
Yeah, all body get old too, you know. You see, it's on camera. Watch, I got proof on camera. And it go to YouTube. So now we are all right. So now we're entering Chester Village. So this is Yeovil. Okay, all the places that you see in West Coast Barbies, from Britannia coming down to Yeovil to Ross. My mom, she has a family living all here. Nice guys, nice. I remember Rising Sun. Rising Sun used to have the racing track. Yeah guys, West Coast Barbies, where I spent a few years of my life before moving to Suriname. It's good to be back. Good to be back to my roots. Brahan. Yeah, Kingley. I remember Kingley. I think mommy and her siblings, I think they have family living in Kingley too. I won't know. When mommy see this video, she gonna know who and what and what. She gonna figure out everything. Uncle Starchy, yes, I remember the name.
I'm gonna show you Uncle Starchy house.
Peach color house. This house, Uncle Starchy house.
Yeah, like
Alright. Phoenix.
In Arizona.
Phoenix, Arizona. I remember around this time every afternoon, mosquito used to kill you out. My job was to make this smoke pot with coconut husks in the bucket, and we gotta walk around the whole house, upstairs, downstairs, and swing the pot. Moore Park.
And that used to work, eh?
Right? I used to get the kerosene lamp back in the days. Shilling, where?
Shilling.
Yeah, mommy them know Shilling.
Yeah, I remember them garage and going with tractor trailer and I try it. I never had to do it. And I want to go. And now they allow me to go. I cried.
Number 40 Village. Number 41. I can't remember who used to live at number 41. Can't remember. Somebody, mommy, them know very close used to live at number 41. Can't remember though. Land of the Rising Sun. Rising Sun. This is where you get the racetrack. The racetrack at the back. That's the racetrack at Rising Sun. And my great grandmother used to live in Washington. I can't remember her, but I know she used to live here. But I think the house has already been broken down. I know there's some properties that still belongs to the family. It's located here in Washington, but I don't know where it's located. I'm not so sure exactly where it's located. Probably here, I'm not around here maybe. I have no clue. So guys, that was my journey back to my roots, where I started my early days in Regent Street. Went back to the place where I was born in Amsterdam, and where we spent a few years in West Coast Barbies. It was kind of emotional going back there, guys. Going down memory lane, and it's once upon a time. And you imagine yourself that you're so big and life goes on and you're getting older and your kids and grandkids could see where you were living. Weldad Magistrate Court. We're in Weldad right now. So that was it, guys. We're driving back home now to the city, Georgetown. Thank you guys for taking that tour with me back to my roots. Those memories will live on in me a little longer now that it is refreshing my mind. I can remember now clearly by going back and seeing where everything started. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you guys for always supporting me. For sure, I'll catch you on the other video. Bye for now, guys. God bless.